Hey, I'm Sean from MyBottomChef. In today's episode, we are baking these delicious chocolate crinkles cookies. These cookies are very easy to make. There is a link to the recipe in the description below. Let's go bake some cookies. 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 eggs. 1/4 cup or 58 grams of unsalted butter. Grease the cookie sheet with some butter. Now we will take the dough and roll it into small little balls. Roll the dough balls around in some icing sugar, making sure to coat all the sides. Let's put them on the cookie sheet. Now we need to put these cookies in the refrigerator overnight. Good night, cookies. See you in the morning. Preheat oven to 350. Place in the oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Transfer them to a cooling rack. Join us in our next episode where we will be making the best Disney Dole pineapple whip.